On the off chance that you're searching for ELROND cost expectations estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and in a real sense need to know where the costs of ELROND, egld, will go from now on, we will investigate the essentially past costs of ELROND, egld, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful truly is totally inconceivable, which for the most part is very critical. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. ELROND truly past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of ELROND especially is $46.38. And egld is as of now by and large position number 41 in the especially whole crypto-biological system. The dissemination supply of ELROND basically is 23,665,036 with a market cap of $1,097,641,204, incredibly. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every way that really matters has been in a real sense diminished by 11.17% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the egld with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap is likewise down, or so they in every practical sense thought. ELROND is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, which is genuinely huge. The egld in every practical sense is down to nearly 22.54% over the most recent 7 days in an unpretentious manner. The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for essentially past beautiful few days. The coin could in every practical sense have serious areas of strength for pretty, however, we don't imagine that it would a productive resource in lovely present moment, or so they thought. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the ongoing cost in recent days cost history, it really is seen that ELROND basically has expanded 5.223% in its worth amazingly. The typical least cost for the month essentially is $41.58, while most certainly greatest normal cost was $43.96 in a significant manner. This suggests that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to extremely arrangement of coins for commonly long haul incredibly. The 90 days cost change is around 6.58%, and the cost coursed from a base typical cost of $40.67 to greatest normal cost of $43.84 in the beyond 90 days, or so they thought. In most certainly most recent 4 months, ELROND in a real sense has shown a developing pattern. In this manner, we basically feel that comparative pieces of the market most certainly were very famous at that period, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. As indicated by the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of ELROND fundamentally is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost in a significant manner. The coin is up by 25.90%, with the most extreme kind of typical cost of the coin was around $33.98, and the base typical cost of basically was around $33.32 and especially beyond 4 months, which is very critical. We in a real sense foresee future ELROND cost expectations egld estimate by applying profound man-made consciousness, help specialized examination on the by and large past value information of ELROND. We in every practical sense do are practically awesome to especially gather fundamentally most extreme verifiable information for the egld coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, ELROND market cap, ELROND volume and by and large scarcely any essentially more in an unpretentious manner. On the off chance that you are looking to in a real sense put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need very great profit from prettier speculations, generally try to peruse our forecasts. ELROND value expectation 2023, according to the figure and specialized examination, in 2023, the cost of ELROND especially is supposed to reach at an essentially least value worth of $50.91. The egld cost can arrive at a sort of most extreme value worth of $59.12, with the typical worth of $53.23. In a huge manner. ELROND value forecast 2024 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of egld. In 2024, the cost of ELROND is especially anticipated to reach at a genuinely least degree of $73. The egld cost can explicitly arrive at an essentially greatest degree of $89.44, with the typical exchanging cost of $75.13, which is genuinely huge. EGLD value conjecture for 2025. The cost of ELROND is anticipated to generally reach at a very least worth of $99.23 in 2025, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The ELROND cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $124.26, with the typical exchanging cost of $102.98 all through 2025, or so they thought. Which is very huge. ELROND, EGLD, value expectation 2026. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2026, the cost of ELROND really is anticipated to reach it in every practical sense, least degree of $148.90, or so they thought. The EGLD cost can arrive at a truly most extreme degree of $173.59, with the typical exchanging cost of $154.05, which basically is very critical. Amazingly, ELROND value expectation 2027. ELROND cost is figured to arrive at a least, all things considered, conceivable degree of $222.05 in 2027, in opposition to prevalent thinking. According to our discoveries, the EGLD cost could generally arrive at in every way that really matters, most extreme entirely conceivable degree of $258.93, with the especially normal estimate cost of $228.21. ELROND value expectation 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of EGLD, in 2028, the cost of ELROND is gauged to, in a real sense, be at around a base worth of $333.32 in a very large manner. The ELROND value worth can arrive at a limit of $385.56, with the typical exchanging worth of $344. ELROND, EGLD, value expectation 2029. The cost of one ELROND is supposed to reach at an exceptionally least degree of $483.62 in 2029, or so they thought. The EGLD cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $570.32, with the typical cost of $500.86 all through 2029 in an unpretentious manner. Or so they thought. ELROND value conjecture 2030. ELROND cost is estimated to arrive at a practically the most minimal conceivable degree of $716.92 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the EGLD cost could arrive at a really most extreme kind of conceivable degree of $831.62, with the typical figure cost of $741.96. ELROND, EGLD, value forecast 2031. The cost of ELROND for the most part is in a real sense anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $1,038.05 in 2031. The ELROND cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $1,253.35, with the typical cost of $1,067.73 all through 2031. Amazingly, ELROND value expectation 2032. The cost of ELROND is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $1,570.18 in 2032. The ELROND cost could especially arrive at a most extreme worth of $1,802.01, with the typical exchange